manicure is applying a base coat. I know I say this every time, but it's really important. On the pinky and the pointer, we're going to make an ocean design. Start off by painting your nail white. Then take a piece of cosmetic sponge, a white polish and 2 shades of blue polish. I have a turquoise and a baby blue. Apply a stripe of turquoise on the sponge, following with light blue and white. Dab the sponge on the nail and voila! I'm happy with how mine looks, so it's time to clean the mess I've created. Soak a Q-tip in the acetone and clean around the edges for a neat look. The final touch to our ocean design are those white lines created by the sun and waves. You know, the ones that we can see on the bottom of the sea if the water is crystal clear. So take your white striper or just a paintbrush like me and start drawing random wavy lines. You'll get the best effect if you have a small amount of polish on the brush. Now we only need to apply a top coat to bring everything together and protect our ocean masterpiece. I made the same design on my pointer. I think this design alone on all the nails would look so gorgeous. Perfect for hot summer days. You can also use it as an accent when painting all other nails in solid turquoise color. On the middle finger, I will make a seashell design. Start with turquoise nail polish as a base. It's totally up to you what color you want your seashells to be. You can make them white and beige as they normally are, or you can go a bit crazy like me. My seashells are purple and orange. The easiest way to draw them is using a dotting motion with a dotting tool. This way you get that perfect shell shape, which is not smooth but rather wavy. So just make a circle and a short line on one side like this. I decided to use orange polish for some of the seashells because that's the color I will use for starfish on another nail. And I think it's important to use a connecting color which brings all the designs together when making a mix and match manicure. So I just draw a bunch of seashells. You can draw as many as you can fit on your nail. Now the key to make this design super pretty is in drawing tiny stripes using the same color as your background. So I'm drawing about 4 thin lines on each shell. This will create the bumpy and grainy appearance of seashells. To make the design richer and bolder, I'm going to add few larger glitter dots on the empty spaces to represent the pearls. You can use some rhinestones for this if you want, or make dots using a silver or pearly white polish. Finally, apply a layer of top coat to seal everything in place. Oh, I love this design! It makes me want to go on a summer vacation right now! On my ring finger, I'm first applying 2 coats of silver nail polish. Then I go in with a glitter polish to add a bit more dimension. This finger represents sparkly water, but you can also use a gold nail polish for the sand if you prefer. Whatever you choose, finish it off with a top coat and our shiny accent nail is complete. For the thumb, I saved my personally favorite design in this tutorial. It's the starfish design. Apply a turquoise polish for the base. For the starfish, take a corally orange color. Mine actually looks pretty red, but okay. Make a dot for the center of the starfish and 5 dots around the central dot like so. Then just connect each of the 5 dots with the central one and you get the perfect starfish. You can easily do this design just using a toothpick. For an even more realistic look, try making larger dots as you go toward the center dot. Drawing starfish with a dotting motion will also give you the perfect wrinkly shape. For the final touch, add little white dots along each of the starfish 5 arms. I think this one is just so cute, and don't forget that you can make it without dotting tools too. A toothpick would work just fine. Same as with the seashells, I'm placing some chunky glitter dots on the empty spaces. Apply a generous amount of the fast-drying top coat to finish off this beautiful design. And here's how these summery designs look together in a gorgeous summer mix and match